nickname is a short name for someone. It makes things easy, plus it is fun. If someone has a long name, you can probably bet that they have a nickname to shorten it. I tried to make a list, but there were too many, so I'll just name a few, probably 20. But before I get things started, I'll keep it real. I don't have a nickname, my name is just Neil.
The nickname song.
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 The nickname song. I can sing it all day long.
The nickname song.
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 The nickname song. And it goes on and on. His name is David. His nickname is Dave. He works on computers, so you know he gets paid. Her name is Anna. There's no nickname for that, but it rhymes with banana, and that's kinda fat. Her name is Maureen. Her nickname is Bean, like lima, jelly, baked and green. This is my cousin. His name is Eric. He doesn't have a nickname. What the herrick?
The nickname song.
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 The nickname song. I can sing it all day long.
The nickname song.
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 The nickname song. And it goes on and on. I have a friend named Bobby who wears a blue shirt. Today I just found out his name is Robert. Denny's short for Dennis, like Dennis the Menace. The only difference is he is not famous. 3 doors down is Gregory, but we call him Greg. He likes to drink beer, but not from a keg. Christopher, long name, short name Chris. Pretty cool hair, but not cooler than this. This large man is Floyd. His nickname is Buff, but I still take him down, and that is what's up. Daniel, short for Danny, and that's no riddle. I went to his bar mitzvah when we were little. My boss's name is Russ, but he was born Russell. Believe it or not, this used to be muscle. Matt was born Matthew, but that doesn't matter. He started jump roping cause he used to be fatter.
The nickname song.
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 The nickname song. I can sing it all day long.